Hey everybody. So we ran today, did about 1.9 miles. I did it in pace about 10 minutes and 9 seconds, which isn't bad. It's not my best, but I was running slow. We're trying to run slow. I ran till my tendon felt anywhat weird. Not when it hurt, but when it felt weird. Like persistently weird, not just like feels kind of odd at this step or odd at that step, like it was on the other side of the street. But yeah, it was good. I'm walking back now. I'm going to rest it over the weekend, ice it up and everything like that. And then Monday I might try it again. But yeah, we're kind of starting over. I'll get back to where I was just as fast, but it's still going to take some time. Which, I mean, as long as it took to even get to this point, the month's not a long time, but you know, things fade fairly quickly. It happens. If I can get back there, my tendon starts feeling better. Of course, there's people doing work. Then we'll up the distance. Okay, had to pause for a second. Guy was using a table saw and was walking right by it, so I didn't want it to blow my audio out. I'm trying to talk over it, so. But yeah, I mean, it wasn't bad. It was okay. We'll see how I feel Monday. Again, if it feels weird at all, we stop. And we'll slowly coax it back to life. But my pace, yeah, it's gonna take a bit for me to get back to where I was, which, I mean, isn't bad. And like I said, it isn't bad. I said that 1,000 times. I was just hoping it wouldn't be like that, you know? Shit happens. Well, I need to go before I start repeating myself over and over and over again. So I hope everyone stays healthy. Keep running if you can. And if you can't, do push-ups. Anyways, you have a good weekend. I'll talk to you later.